Let's start building your mihi. So you may have heard the stock standard mihi that lots of people have heard around the country, which sounds a little bit like ko something tōku maunga, ko something tōku awa, ko someone tōku mama, ko someone tōku papa, and continue on a template like that. Well, that's a good start, but it doesn't necessarily represent you in the best way that it can. Because after all, a mihi is about you acknowledging your connections so that you can connect with others. It could be connecting you to your ancestry. It could be connecting you to other places that you've lived or other places that you come from. It could be who your parents are, who your grandparents or great-grandparents are, and who your tamariki, your children are, even your siblings. It could even include your dog. But the most important thing is that the options are there for you to pick from. You don't have to fill everything in. So when putting it together as a mihi, you're picking the 5 to 10 things that best reflect you. And while your mihi might not sound like everybody else's, it's actually not meant to, because your mihi is meant to be a reflection of you. So if I was to say my mihi in English, I would say, I am a descendant of Ranginui and Papatuanuku. I stand in the shadow of Mount Ruapehu, beside the great river waters of Wanganui. I'm from Kaiwaiki Marae. I have 4 children, and my name is Ash. Kia ora.